up on two wheels. Yeah, it's the motorbike way. Yeah, get a girl with two boobs. Yeah, it's the motorbike way. Yeah. You're not in my pocket club, you're out of luck. 'Cause if you're not in my pocket club, you're not a man. You be a man with two sticks. Yeah, it's the motorbike way. I got two tattoos on my forehead. Yeah, motorbike way. You're not in my pocket club. There's no pain. You're not in my pocket club. I'll beat your brain. Who is worse, the man who beats people, or the wimp who stands around and does nothing? Some might call it